My advice to anyone starting out on an RPA journey would be two things really. One of them is to start small. Pick a use case that's got significant volume in that you're going to get some reward from it and prove the technology, but not so big that it's going to take you months to deliver. Pick something that you're comfortable with and a known process, and then learn from that. All of the questions about governance, databases, robot accesses, what robots should and shouldn't do, who can control what a robot does, can a robot go rogue? All of these questions will come out in the early days. And it's better to do that whilst you can manage one or two automations before you get to a scale where you're looking to implement many robots across many different things. My other piece of advice would be that you don't need to employ expensive developers to start with. We've had one external hire and one contractor, and their knowledge has been, we couldn't have got where we are without their knowledge. But every other member of the team is an internal hire, and some of those people come from various different places across different customer service roles or different areas of IT. They've trained on UiPath using the UiPath Academy, and they're now competent developers delivering automations. So whilst it's tempting to go and get a best-in-class developer from the market, consider an approach to say, well, we need that for the expertise, but we also probably have a lot of people in the organization that could become very good developers.